Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Duo. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Firstly, let's go to Google app, tab button in the right corner, go to settings, go to Google Assistant, voice match, and enable this function. Now go back and enter lock screen. Make sure this function is also enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There will be scattered showers, with a high of 11 and a low of 3.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.